everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my friend Jessica.
Hi.
And she's gonna get some hair extensions done today, and these are the tape hair extensions. She's gonna get actually two colors. One are these red ones and the other ones, yeah, they used to be brown. Yeah, we're perfect now. However, if you would like to see how we will put these hair extensions in, so please keep on watching. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's start this tape extension tutorial. Bye!
Alright, so as you see, I'm just brushing the hair to begin with. That's the easiest way to see where it is uneven. And moving over to the next step, I will comb the hair because I'm preparing myself to cut the ends. I'm using just this regular technique, the pointing technique, because I don't want to cut her hair with a straight line. If you want to install hair extension, your hair shouldn't be straight cutted, it should be more pointed, so it looks like it just had grown out and it looks more natural, and then it will blend in with the hair extensions as well. Alright, so the hair is brushed and combed and everything is nice and soft. And then you see I have started, or I have already sectioned the hair in two sections, but I will section it in more than two sections because the thing is I wanted to try a technique that I haven't tried before, but for me it's easiest always to begin like with two big sections and then do small size sections, and then I start to part the hair. As you see, now she's moving like back and forward because she's cutting the tape extensions that we did put new tape on. And as I saw, like, this is the most easiest way to actually install tape extensions on others as well. If you are more talented, you can just install it on your own hair as well. Alright, so as you can see, I took the first tape extension and I was trying to put it in a place and just to test like how much will it show through if we pull her hair up a bit, and it looked really like it wouldn't show so much, and I tried it as well in the end. And then she was telling me like she is not gonna have her hair so much up, so it's okay. But there was a problem with the hair itself because it had already been used before, and the girl who have done her hair before, she wasn't that expert on the expert with the hair extensions, like the tape hair extensions, and she did like cut them a little bit too much and a little bit too wrong. So I was like, okay, we will put all the hair in and then we will see what we can do in the end, because you won't see anything now. In the end you will see everything. Alright, so I usually like to start from the bottom of the head, and I like to line the headline really straight, that there's no extra hairs coming from here or there. And then after that I will pull all the extra hair up, so I will have a more clean workspace, or what should I even call it, I don't know. Then I like to brush it really good, and then I pull it down so it's more straight. And after that I have already pulled away the paper part that's on the tape, and I'm trying to explain it here, though I have cut away the voice because I think it's much easier just to talk like that. And then I take away, like, I don't install the tape more than, it has to be like about 2 to 3 millimeters away from the hair root. I think it's because usually they say like around 1 centimeters or a half, but I have done that before and it starts to get down or become more loose very fast. So after I put the first one there, I do the same thing. I line out the hair once again, and you can see it looks very good, and the hair that's on the tape and it's gonna be between the other tape part, it's not so thick and it's not so thin, so it's like they're in between. Alright, so I'm taking the other tape extension and I'm putting it on the first one. It's like you do just a sandwich, And it's very important to remember that the edges are on each other, like it's really on each other, that the one is not higher and the other is lower. Then after that you press them together really good. Usually I like to use like a flat iron, just for 1 or 2 seconds, just to press it on the tape, but today we didn't have time for that. She had to run to the bus, so I just left that step out. As you can see, I cut a little bit piece away because the one tape extension was wider than the other one, but it wasn't a problem at all.
Mamacita, habibi, 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 habibi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Habibi.
Here you can see I start to check the colors, how it will blend in with the first section of the red hair tape extensions, and it looked really nice and smooth. And as I start to build up the hair, it starts to look more and more natural.
Hon är farlig, så laglig, en riktig galning. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Hon är sjukt inget normalt. Hon är så pengar alla shunos här vill ha. Hon är så jet, hon är Bennys bästa kram. För varje gång vi träffas så får jag det jag vill ha. Habibi, habibi, habibi. Go down low, wine slow for the remix. Habibi, habibi, hon skakar sin gött, gör mig hungrig, feel me. Oh, na na na, gözden har fått mig att falla la. Jag vill att du träffar min mamma. Blicken du ger för mig, aj aj aj. Habibi, du är så sexy. I sängen du är hetsig. Baby du är felfri. Habibi du är jetski. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig, en riktig galning. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Du är min väst här i väst. Du är min J under stress. Vill du kicka 330 får jag casha din dress. Hur du slänger ditt hår, habibi på en annan nivå. Så galen när du rör på dina lår. Nu är det bara vi två. Hon kan dansa, du och jag vi kan hafla. Cashen vi kastar, habibi vart du vill vi är shutdown. Habibi, du kan ratta min C-klass. Jag kan ge dig 4 ringar. Du förtjänar allt, habibi du är jet som aj aj aj. Hon är farlig.
Alright, so for the next step is the sides of her head. So this is the technique I have been wanting to try for so long time, because I have seen like recently they have started to do that. When they do the sides of the hair, they don't do them like, straight or round. They make it more like a V line as you cut the hair, and I find out this was actually the best way to do it, especially if you are a person that would like to pull your hair up so it doesn't show. And for me that have had hair extensions, especially tape ones before, I found out that having the tapes like installed in with straight lines is more like damaging the hair, or I think it felt so weird back then. I couldn't pull up my hair or anything, but I feel like this was actually the right way. And it worked really out, because in the end you will see how good blended in the hair looks. And she was even surprised why it does look so good like now than the first time. So now I will just start to install the hair.
Mamacita, habibi, hon är farlig, helt olaglig, en riktig galning. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Hon är sjukt inget normalt. Hon är så pengar alla shunos här vill ha. Hon är så jet, hon är Bennys bästa kram. För varje gång vi träffas så får jag det jag vill ha. Habibi, 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 go down low, wine slow for the remix. Habibi, habibi, hon skakar inget, gör mig hungrig, feel me. Na na na, gözden har fått mig att falla la. Jag vill att du träffar min mamma. Blicken du ger för mig, aj aj aj. Habibi, du är så sexy. I sängen du är hetsig. Baby du är felfri. Habibi du är jetski. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig. En riktig galing. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Du är min väst här i väst. Du är min J under stress. Vill du kicka 330 får jag casha din dress. Hur du slänger ditt hår, habibi på en annan nivå. Så galen när du rör på dina lår. Nu är det bara vi två. Hon kan dansa, du och jag vi kan hafla. Cashen vi kastar, habibi vart du vill vi är shada. Habibi, du kan ratta min C-klass. Jag kan ge dig 4 ringar. Du förtjänar allt, habibi du är jet som aj aj aj. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig. En riktig galing. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig. En riktig galing. Habibi, hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Habibi, habibi, habibi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Habibi. Ricky Rick. Alla mafia. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig. En riktig galing. Habibi. Hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita. Habibi. Hon är farlig, helt olaglig. En riktig galing. Habibi. Hon är tia som min nia. Mamacita, habibi. Hon är sjukt inget normalt. Hon är som pengar alla shunos här vill ha.
Okay, so this is the end result. We got her hair to melt in together really good. As I said in the beginning, I tried to make sides of the hair like that. So if she wants to pull her hair up sometimes, she can actually do it like that. And I had to take away a lot from the length because it was really uneven the way the first friend of her did her hair. But yeah, I think that this length suits her much better, and it looks very natural, the hair from behind. I think it's really nice and smooth together. As you can see, it's very even. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this fast how to get your hair tape extensions in, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.
Habibi, du kan ratta min C-klass. Jag kan ge dig 4 ringar. Du förtjänar allt, habibi du är jet som aj aj aj. Hon är farlig.